Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So here x plus y is 10 and x times y is also 10 and we have to find the value of x and y. So let's start with today's video solution. So I'm going to use identity to form a quadratic. So x plus y is 10. So to this match the standard form of quadratic equation, that is t squared minus x plus y times t plus xy is equals to 0. So it gives us t squared minus 10t plus 10 is equals to 0. Now use the quadratic formula. T is equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a, where a is the coefficient of t square, b is the coefficient of t, and c is the constant. So t is equals to minus minus 10 plus minus under root minus 10 square minus 4 times 1 times 10 by 2 times 1. So 10 plus minus under root 100 minus 40 by 2. So t is equals to 10 plus minus under root 60 by 2. So 10 plus minus 60, we can write it as 4 times 15 by 2. So this gives us 10 plus minus 2 root 15 by 2. Now I can take 2 common from numerator. So 5 plus minus root 15 by 2. So t is equals to 5 plus minus root 15. So the two values are x is equals to 5 plus root 15 and y is equals to 5 minus root 15 or vice versa. So x is 5 plus minus root 15 and y is 5 minus plus root 15. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any doubt related to any math question, you can comment down below. Thank you so much for watching this video.